Hello and welcome to this video series on the Mixed Signal Front End, or MxFE, evaluation platform. My name is Sydney Wells and I am an Applications Engineer at Analog Devices. The content in this series applies to the entire MxFE family of parts, so while we will be using the ADI 9082 for these examples, they apply to every part number shown. Over the course of these videos, we will demonstrate how to set up and use the eval platform with Analog Devices ACE software and API code. To start, this video details how to initialize the hardware with ACE, or with ACE's companion program, DPG Lite. Let's get started. In the lab, we have the ADI 9082 eval board and the Analog Devices ADS9 high-speed carrier card. The ADS9 facilitates all communication between the MxFE chip, the FPGA, and your computer. The ADS9 needs to be powered with the given power cord. Insert the HSX micro SD card into the SD slot, and ensure the Ethernet and USB cords are connected to the ADS9 and your computer. If you are using an external reference for the ADS9, this is the SMA port you would connect to. In this example, we will be using internal clocking from the onboard HMC 7044 for the entire eval system. Now that we've prepared the ADS9, connect the eval board using the FMC connector. The ADI 9082 has 4 16-bit 12 gigasample per second RF DACs and 2 12-bit 6 gigasample per second RF ADCs. In these examples, we will be using internal clocking. However, if you would like to supply your own external clock, you would use the external clock SMPF connector here. Please keep in mind you will also have to move the position of the capacitors C3D and C5D to positions C4D and C6D for external clocking. With the entire eval system prepared for use, we are now ready to power on the ADS9. We will now show how to connect to the eval system using ACE and DPG Lite. Ensure when downloading ACE that you select the high-speed plugins in DPG Lite to be downloaded. Upon opening ACE, you will see a screen that shows the eval platform connected. Double-click on the ADI 9082 icon to connect. Confirm the connection by seeing that a UID value populated in the GUI. Also ensure that the LEDs have lit up on the ADI 9082 eval board. The platform is now initialized and ready to configure. An alternative way to connect is by using ACE's companion program, DPG Downloader Lite. For more information on the evaluation software, please check User Guide 1829. Upon opening DPG Lite, it will show in the GUI that the eval system is connected. You can then click the Configure FPGA button. The links will currently show as unknown as we have not configured the part. Ensure that the LEDs came up on the ADI 9082. The platform is now initialized and ready to go. If you would like to see how to configure the MxFE using ACE or our provided API files, stay tuned for our next videos. Please view the MxFE product page on analog.com for more information. And if you have any questions, visit the EngineerZone page for the MxFE family. Thanks for watching.